If you've purchased Overkill tuning through the Autocal handheld unit, you're encouraged to take a driving scan of the vehicle after you receive your initial Overkill tunes, and that way we can see how the engine and transmission are running and if there's any revisions that are required to your Overkill tune. You can do that using the handheld. I'm going to start the car. From the initial display screen here, we're going to click the next button over until we see record data. I'm going to click OK. And it started to record. You're going to want to put the car into drive and do yourself a scan. Try not to make it a very long scan. There is limited memory on these Autocals. But you can do a 0 to 60. You can start the scanner, do a merge onto the highway, for example, and try to include some regular driving. Just something stop and go, something that will show the engine revving up and down a little bit. Once you're done with the scan, pull to the side of the road, obviously, so you're nice and safe. And you're going to want to click the previous button here, where it says exit. Now click OK, and you can see it says saving. And it's saving the log file. There you go, saved as. And that's the log file that you'll be able to pull from EFI Explorer and send to me in an email to willoverkill@gmail.com.